In a village called Sundarpur, nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a woman named Ananya. Ananya wasn't just any ordinary woman, she possessed a unique gift, the gift of magical hands. But this wasn't magic of the usual kind. Her hands could heal, create, and bring joy to everyone she touched. This is her story, a tale of love, giving, and the incredible power of community. Ananya lived in a modest cottage at the edge of Sundarpur. Her days were filled with the hum of creativity, as her fingers wove tapestries, crafted pottery, and baked the most delicious bread. But Ananya's true gift lay not just in her creations, but in the way she used them to touch the lives of others. Her journey began many years ago, when as a little girl, Ananya would watch her grandmother, a skilled healer and artisan, work her magic. Remember, Ananya, her grandmother would say, our hands are not just for us. They are tools to spread love and joy. And so, Ananya learned not just the crafts, but the spirit of giving. As Ananya grew, so did her reputation. Villagers would come from near and far, seeking her help. One day, a farmer named Ramu came to her with a heavy heart. His crops had failed, and he had nothing to feed his family. Ananya, with a warm smile, handed him a loaf of her special bread. Take this, Ramu. It will give you strength. And tomorrow, we will plant new seeds together. True to her word, Ananya spent the next day in Ramu's fields, planting seeds and teaching him new farming techniques. By the end of the season, Ramu's fields were lush and green, and he had more than enough to feed his family and share with the village. Ananya's kindness knew no bounds. At the village market, she would often trade her tapestries and pottery not for money, but for stories and laughter. Tell me a story I've never heard, and this pot is yours, she'd say with a twinkle in her eye. The market became a place of joy and camaraderie, all thanks to Ananya's spirit. There was the time when Bhola, the village carpenter, couldn't fix the village chief's door. He was all thumbs and no skill. Ananya, with a gentle laugh, took his tools and fixed the door in a jiffy. Bhola, she said, you might not be the best carpenter, but you make the best laddus in the village. Stick to that. Bhola's laddus became the talk of Sundarpur, and he found his true calling. But perhaps the most beautiful gift Ananya gave was to the children of Sundarpur. Every weekend, she would gather them in her garden and teach them to paint, sculpt, and create. Your hands can create wonders, she'd tell them, but your heart must guide them. The children adored her, and their artworks brought color and joy to every home in the village. One day, a weary traveler named Vikram arrived in Sundarpur. He had heard tales of the woman with the magical hands and was curious to see her for himself. When he met Ananya, he was struck by her warmth and kindness. I've traveled far and wide, Vikram said, but I've never seen a village so full of happiness and love. How do you do it? Ananya smiled and replied, it's not me, Vikram. It's the spirit of Sundarpur. Here, we believe in sharing what we have and helping each other. My hands may be gifted, but it's the love of this community that makes the magic happen. Inspired by Ananya's words, Vikram decided to stay in Sundarpur. He brought his own skills and knowledge, and soon the village was thriving like never before. They celebrated their success with a grand festival, where music, dance, and laughter filled the air. As the sun set over Sundarpur, Ananya stood at the edge of her garden, watching the vibrant hues of the sky. She felt a deep sense of fulfillment. She had not only used her hands to create beauty but had also woven a tapestry of love and unity that bound the village together. Ananya's story is a reminder that true magic lies not in extraordinary powers, but in the simple acts of kindness and love we share with those around us. Her gifted hands were merely tools, it was her heart that truly transformed Sundarpur. And so, the spirit of giving and sharing lived on, spreading from person to person, just like the ripples in a pond. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey. Remember, your hands too can weave wonders when guided by a heart full of love.